Want to make your first $100 online but don't know where to start? No worries. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to make your first $100 even if you have zero experience, no skills, and no investment. And the best part? You can do this from anywhere in the world. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step plan to start making money today. So stick around. If you're ready to start your online income journey, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips. Making money online doesn't have to be complicated. The trick is choosing something simple that works fast. Here are 3 beginner-friendly methods that anyone can do. Freelancing, easiest and fastest. Get paid for skills you already have. Sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. Offer simple services like writing, voiceovers, video editing, or Canva designs. Example, you can charge $10 per basic gig. Do 10 gigs equals $100 earned. Selling digital products, one-time effort, passive income. Create easy products like resume templates, planners, or stock photos. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. Example, sell a $10 product, get 10 sales equals $100 earned. Affiliate marketing, no product, no problem. Sign up for affiliate programs, Amazon, ClickBank, or Impact. Share product links on social media or blogs. Earn a commission per sale. Pick one of these and stick to it. The key is to focus on one strategy instead of trying everything at once. Now that you've picked a method, it's time to take action. Here's exactly what you need to do today. For freelancing, create a Fiverr or Upwork account. List 3 simple gigs that match your skills. For example, remove backgrounds from photos, write social media captions. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to help speed up the work. For digital products, design a simple template on Canva. Upload it to Etsy or Gumroad with a keyword-optimized title. Share it on Pinterest for free traffic. For affiliate marketing, join Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Find a trending product and create a TikTok or Instagram reel about it. Drop your affiliate link in the caption. Most beginners fail because they don't start. Do one small action today and you're already ahead of 90% of people. You've set up your money-making system. Now, let's get your first sales fast. For freelancers, offer an introductory price to get first orders and reviews. Join Facebook groups and offer your service. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva to deliver work quickly. For digital products, use Pinterest to drive free traffic. Promote on Facebook Marketplace or Reddit groups. Run a limited-time discount to attract buyers. For affiliate marketing, post short-form content on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Write a simple blog post or Medium article. Engage in comment sections and forums to share your links. This is the step where most people give up, but be consistent for 7 to 14 days and you will see results. Once you make your first $100, scaling up is easy. Tips to scale fast: increase your prices as you get reviews. Automate your work with AI and templates. Expand to multiple platforms, for example, sell on Fiverr and Etsy. Reinvest earnings into better tools or ads. The first $100 is just the beginning. Keep improving, and soon you'll make $500, then $1,000 and beyond. So there you have it, the easiest way to make your first $100 online, step by step. Now it's your turn. Which method will you try first, freelancing, digital products, or affiliate marketing? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a money-making tip.